Kakangs Talikan kung saan ang LS na ito ay LS nyo na rin at ang YouTube channel na Kakangs Dalikan ay tambayan nyo pa rin. Yes mga kapatid, congratulations sa ating lahat. April 26, 2 years na po si Kakangs Dalikan na nag-e-ere sa YouTube. Yes! Palakpakan natin ang isa't isa. Palakpakan natin ang isa't isa. And of course, hindi naman po possible siguro na mag 2 years on air ang Kakangs Dalikan without our dear friends na from the beginning, hindi tayo iniwan, hindi tayo pinabayaan, pawang mga supportive lamang, yes. And of course, sa lahat po ng naging parte ng paglalakbay ni KD dito sa YT, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mga sponsors natin every time na merong proyekto from food distribution, mga feeding programs natin. Second, yung mga ating mga pagtulong sa mga estudyante, ang ating pa-module ni KD, pa-cellphone ni KD, at sa lahat-lahat ng mga maliliit na ways na makatulong tayo sa ating kapwa at sa ating kasama sa industriya dito sa YouTube. Maraming salamat. And of course naman po, ang mga non-stop na hindi man lang inisip na withdraw ang kanilang membership. Maraming salamat and congratulations sa inyo kasi 2 years na kayo na nasa aking membership list. Yan. So, and member or non-member, gusto ko rin din pong pasalamatan ang ating mga supportive friends na kahit board dami yatang board. board na po. Sila sa pakikinig sa walang kasawa-sawa at walang kaputol-putol at walang kakupas-kupas at walang katapusang kwento ni Kakangs Dalikan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang YouTube channel na ito ay bukas po sa ating lahat. At ito po ang aking misyon, ang makatulong, ang matulungan, at ang pag-spread ng love. So mga kapatid, panoorin niya po natin ang ating mga supportive friends, members, and sponsors. At sa mga kaibigan nating bumubuo sa mundo ni Kakangs Dalikan. Let's watch this. Doon pala. See ya!
let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
dami na pong mga tao dumaan, umalis, bumalik, naiwan, natira. Ano to, signs? Mga residue, mga ganon. May mga solid, liquid, gas. Biro lang. And ayun na nga, napanood niyo po ang mga tao na bumubuo sa harap, sa likod, sa side ng YouTube channel na ito, Kakangs Dalikan. Maraming salamat. Thank you well. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Agyaman na kada kayo amin kakabsat ko dito'y lubong TYT. At syempre, 2 years pa lang tayo. Abangan pa ang mas marami, mas pinatindi at mas maraming tawanan, mas maraming iyakan, mas maraming drama, kulitan at batuhan ng jokes dito sa inyong tambayan. Kakangs Dalikan. Maraming salamat. God bless us all and abangan pa rin bukas sa susunod na araw ang isang KD. Mwah! To all. Thank you. Salamat po.